I came from Patna. Currently, I live in Delhi, and I have completed my B.Ed. I have sweet and small family. In my family, there is four members, and if you know about my hobby, so my hobby is listen to music, and another now I learning English. That's why. Could you introduce yourself?
Okay, that's great. Great introduction. Okay, I can start my introduction. I am Preeti Pandey. I am from UP, and in UP I basically to belong Gorakhpur. If I am talking about my qualification, I have completed B.Ed and BSc. I also cracked seated exam. Now I am preparing for BPSC teacher examination for Bihar, because in UP don't have any vacancy, and nowadays I am learning this language because it is my goal. In future, I want to become a great teacher, and I am also mother, 6 old kid, so I want to teach my child many language. So that's why I start this language. This is all about me. If I'm talking about my hobby, I found out I love painting, dancing, and writing. I write poem. It is
Okay,
all about me.
okay. So you you're seated.
Yeah, I also cracked my CTET. Now I'm preparing for BPS CTET because my also many friends join BPSC teacher in Bihar. All due to my pregnancy, I don't give this exam. I didn't give this exam, but that time I am waiting for vacancy.
Okay. So first is my our child because it's our responsibility. Yes.
Yeah, this is my priority, so that's why I am give up my preparation. Nowadays, he is 6 old, 6 month old. So now I start everything, my preparation, my learning journey, everything.
Okay. Yes, I am also giving our CTET exam and in the Bihar I gave Bihar state paper also. Yes, and I want to say your baby is 6 months old. Yes,
Yeah, my baby 6 month old nowadays.
yes. I have
This is
also and half
okay,
baby, so he is
okay.
pregnant also. So I stopped the stop. I teached in a school before 2 years, but now I have stopped this job and I will start in future also. But I will start in future in only English subject while learning language. Yes.
Okay, that day very soon you will become fluent speaker if you consistent. Okay, so how long have been learning this language? May I know?
Okay. Not many long days or months. I learn this language before 2 months. Yes.
Okay, 2 months. Okay, that's great. So tell me something about like in Bihar, what is it you like? Because I also visit one time in Bihar. I'm waiting this vacancy.
Okay. I live in nearby Rajendra Nagar.
Rajendra Nagar. Okay. So, what is I think litti chokha famous about in Bihar? Do you like it?
Yes, it's a famous of Bihar, but I like because litti is very hard and I don't like chokha and we can prepare anywhere litti and chokha and anything. Yes.
Okay, don't worry. Yeah, it is. I think it is a depend on person to person. Everyone have our own choice. Okay, no problem. So, do you like festival, or which festival do you like in Bihar?
Yes, it's a good question. I like too much. You know Chhat Puja?
Yeah, it is. I think everyone know about Chhat Puja. That time very famous, and
Yes,
many state also like celebrate this festival because Bihar and UP every state live.
yes. So it is my favorite festival because Chhat Puja is like wedding. Yes, because Chhat Puja is for 3 days for in fasting, so it's very hard. They have to fast. It's a very hard, but I didn't. Yes, and I like too much because in that festival we are very enjoy. Yes,
Okay, I also heard about Chhat Puja and less in UP. Lots of lots of place also enjoy, also celebrate this function. But I didn't see this festival. So one time I want to uh, inculcate myself this festival definitely.
okay, okay. You didn't say.
No, I didn't see.
Okay, so you can search on mobile because
Yeah, I search in mobile phone, but if you see anything on your friend, so it is a different. You feel it. All things. Like my sister friends house also celebrate this festival. I think it festival about sun because everyone want to sun. So he also like Mannat.
yeah,
So his mother also pray for Mata Rani. I want to son. So she is blessed for son. So she put this function. So he visit the many times. She visit many times our friend's house and also celebrate this festival. But I didn't.
okay, okay. Okay. You living now? You living in UP Gorakhpur.
Yeah, I living in UP Gorakhpur.
In
So
yeah.
so okay, tell me what are you saying?
You want to in the future you become a teacher?
Yeah, any cost. I want to become a teacher because I love teaching. When I teach someone, so that time I feel like very relaxed. It is in my mood, like meditation. I'm also home tutor. I teach biology and chemistry. I love it teaching. It is not about my money. It is all about my passion. I love when I teach. So you understand new generation. You see our new generation grown up. So that's why I like this profession.
Okay, so which books you learning now?
Nowadays I am not. If I am seriously share my routine, what can I do? My preparation. So I don't read any book. I am prefer only on YouTube channel. I also cracked CTET exam only for YouTube channel.
Okay.
I didn't buy any book. I Texas. I search which channel I like. I am not like subscribe only on one channel and every subject I cover this channel, and I am not doing like that. I am search for a particular subject, which channel this subject is very well. I learn this subject that channel. Otherwise, I search any other channel. So I learn every subject, any other like channel, like I learn CDP, let's learn. I learn my science background. Any other channel, I learn GKGS, any other channel. So I am not learn anything only on one channel. Which channel are great? I thought that it is a great for me, and I am understand very well. So I have completed my syllabus this channel.
Yes, because all teachers are different subject for different subject.
Hmm.
Yes, and I learned on YouTube channel for teach CTET with two. The one is Sivani ma'am, and
Hmm.
second Sachin sir.
Sachin sir, yeah, I also take lots of sessions for CDP like marathon, Hindi marathon, and CDP marathon, English marathon. So I visit this channel many times. I love teaching style Sachin sir. So I'm not saying that I am that kind person who is subscribed only on one channel and every time told that he is good, he is bad. No, I learn. I want to learn. So I learn everyone who is a teach very well, and I am understand. So I am saying that everyone good. It is all about you that you really want to learn. If you really want to learn, then you can learn anyone. Otherwise, no one you can teach you.
No, no, someone watch only one teacher because they want they have subtraction. Yes, they take
Sub,
sub.
sub,
Yes,
it is happens like many friends. He also subscribe and he like subscription. But after sometimes he feel that he doing wrong because yeah, like I am giving you example. If you subscribe and purchase any badge by Sachin sir, so Sachin sir is a good, and also many teachers is a good, but it is not sure that you like every teacher. Someone, my one friend, he purchased by Sachin sir. He also likes Sachin sir many teachers, but he didn't understand the math by Sachin sir platform teacher. So because he purchased subscription, so how can do other channel?
other channel. Yes, because
So
they took suppression, so they they have lots of time to take that channel, and they had have live also 1 or 2 hours. So how they give time on another channel? Yes,
Yeah, and second thing, yeah, it is a like benefit, advantage and disadvantage both. Because if you like every teacher, which channel you are like purchase batch, so it is a good for if you like it and you understand every subject, every teacher. So it is a good because you don't search every time new channel which teacher teach very well, which teacher is not teach very well. So you manage your time very well. And disadvantage is if you don't like any teacher this channel and you don't understand this channel content by teaching any other teacher, so you don't do anything. You if you want to quit this channel, so waste your money. So two like two thing happens in for you, but it is all depend you which what is you prefer. So I
no, no.
am not purchase any batch. I am also reading learning free and of course.
I want to say it's only for reception, only for uh, alone boy or girl, not for women. they have children, small children, so they don't have to time and don't give on a YouTube channel or another 6 and 7 hours. Yes.
Yeah, you are right. You are absolutely right. Okay, thank you. So I I can go because my 6 month old child crying nowadays. I think complete your session.
Okay, thank
So
you.
we can connect any other day when you finish. So please send me message.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Nice to talk with you. Bye bye. Take care.
Same to you also.